Okay, we're going to take a look at this SR-71 model. I'm going to move it here in just a moment. But first I want to show you what it comes with. It comes with the original box. The box is in nice condition. No issues there. It also comes with the styrofoam. The top piece of styrofoam is here too. There are two different configurations you can display the model in. It's currently in the flight configuration, meaning there are little snap-in modules that cover where the gear goes. So it's like in a gear up kind of posture. If you don't want to use the stand, you could actually put the gear on and have it sitting there. There is one issue here though. I have the rear landing gear, it's missing the front gear. So it does not have the front landing gear. It doesn't matter whenever it's in this posture, but if you wanted to set it up in landing posture, you're missing the front landing gear. Here are the two pilots. You can open up the cockpit here and put them in there. They're not currently in the cockpit, obviously. It does have an extra nose piece. There's one here. It's in good condition, but it's very fragile, so they did include another nose piece in case you break the one that's on there. This little piece here covers the place where, I'm going to move this out of the way now. That little piece, if you were to use it in gear down configuration, that little piece would cover where the stand fits in right there. All right, and let's go ahead and take a look at the model. Oh, it comes with these instructions here, also in a little Century Wings card. And then here is the model itself. And the model has been displayed. It's in good condition. It looks like to me there may be some minor paint issues here. See right in here, it's not like 100% white on some of those little stripes there. But otherwise, I don't see any other issues with it. So that's the top side, and then we'll pick it up and take a look at the bottom. This is the bottom. And there's an acrylic stand that comes apart and stows in the, it will also stow in the styrofoam in the box. And then we'll take a look at the front. That all looks good. And then going out to that little nose piece there. So really cool model plane. Wanted to make a quick video just to show y'all exactly what it comes with and any imperfections there might be. Beautiful model though. Thanks for watching.